So what are the best oils for making the perfect popcorn? Let's break it down. Since popcorn pops at high heat, you need oils with a high smoke point. Basically oils that won't burn before the kernels pop. The first step to perfect popcorn is using high quality ingredients, like these mushroom kernels from Dell Cove spices. Don't worry, mushroom refers to the shape, not the flavor. Let's start with coconut oil. Refined coconut oil has a smoke point around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and if you don't mind a little coconut flavor, it can add a fun twist. Then there's avocado oil, a total superstar with a smoke point close to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's heart healthy and perfect for high heat cooking. Sunflower oil also holds up well under heat. It's packed with vitamin E, and it's got a smoke point around 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it another great choice. Then canola oil, a classic. It's neutral in flavor, low in saturated fat, and its high smoke point of around 400 to 475 degrees Fahrenheit makes it perfect for popping popcorn. Vegetable oil is pretty similar. Neutral flavor, high smoke point, and affordable. It's another solid option. And last, but certainly not least, ghee. A clarified butter with a rich and nutty flavor, has a smoke point of around 485 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a tasty and heat-stable option for popping popcorn. And if you're feeling creative, try making an infused oil. Heat up some canola or vegetable oil, add herbs like rosemary or thyme, or go bold with some garlic or chili flakes for a spicy kick. No more burnt popcorn, just crunchy, popped goodness every time. Which oil do you prefer? For more kernels of popcorn knowledge, popcorn seasonings, and more, check out delcospices.com.